Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on XRP. So here on the XRP chart, you can see that we're still holding way above critical support levels. The trend is still up for XRP. I would expect the trend to continue to the upside as per the wave structure presented here. As you know, we are looking at the chart from an Elliott wave point of view, and it suggests that one more high is likely. But obviously, like with every technical analysis, you always get a level that tells us when we have to change our opinion, or let's rather call it a level for risk management, because below that level, the chart indicates that the structure is likely not unfolding in terms of, getting one more high. No, it would rather suggest then that something is broken, that the bears are taking the lead. And that level is at $1.21. It's the 50% retracement of the last rally. And that's a very important level because as long as we're holding that level, this pullback, this consolidation that's currently unfolding can be seen as a wave 4 correction, which is a corrective wave, in a 5-wave move to the upside. However, below $1.21, this important level is broken, and I cannot see this anymore as a wave 4, which means we are not going to expect anymore another high in wave 5. So the question is, let's assume the price finds support somewhere here. Where should the next rally go to? So should we get to all-time highs, should the price break into all-time high territory, then the $4.20 level will be the next resistance. Now, that's pretty much a 2x from here, a 100% increase. But that would still be quite a weak wave 5, as far as I can tell. It seems more probable that the price reaches more common Fibonacci extension levels here at $5 or $5.65. So the area around $5, $5.65, maybe even $6.62. That will be the next key upside target area to watch. Now, let's take a look at the smaller time frame. We're now zooming in to this triangle structure. And I'm not saying it has to be a triangle, because if certain levels break to the downside on the micro level, it means that this wave 4 will likely test $1.54 or $1.21. But as long as we see a series of higher lows and lower highs, we could go with the interpretation of a triangle pattern. So from an Elliott wave point of view, triangles are 5-wave patterns. They are labeled A, B, C, D, E. So we have here A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave might still be unfolding actually, and then an E wave. So we're currently printing a series of higher lows and lower highs. What does it mean for you? It means that this is an area of consolidation. It's a triangle pattern. What do triangles represent? Well, they represent indecision. The market has not yet made a decision. So it is difficult to trade this because you don't really have the uptrend that supports the price. If you go and trade this on the long side, well, you're trading within a range. The market has not made a decision yet. We're in a triangle, we're in a range, and everything that happens in the range is potentially just noise, just random up and down movement. Not really random, but to a degree. There's just a lot of noise in these sideways consolidation phases. So what am I watching here? You can see that in the blue scenario shows the pathway lower into that area between $1.20 and $1.54 that I just showed you on the larger time frame. In this scenario, we need a break below $1.89 to confirm further that we're taking the route to the downside. That is not directly bearish. It just means that the wave 4 is likely still unfolding. Short term, it would be bearish, but as long as we're holding above $1.89, the triangle as it is labeled here would remain valid. Below $1.89, but above $1.77, which is the February low, the triangle would need to be relabeled internally. It means it will likely extend, but it would still be valid. But below that $1.77 level, it will be completely invalidated and we'll likely see a test of $1.54 or $1.55. So we have to remain patient. Down here, there will be a good reward to risk ratio. In here, in the zone, there's a lot of uncertainty, but we're also currently testing important support levels. So that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.